By adding just an extra few minutes to your commute, you get to come home to this, nature.
The sound of